Guys, good afternoon. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And today I'm going to talk about more history from the Dominican Republic. Seahorse Ranch. Seahorse Ranch is a distinctive auction from Villa Resort on the north coast of the Dominican Republic, offering exclusivity in a setting that is among the Caribbean best, with home site for buildings, villa for sales, and vacation on long-term rental villas. Seahorse Ranch was developed with a master plan that highlights and preserves the natural environment. Over 250 lush acres of inspiring terrain and a mile coastline. More than 80 villas made Caribbean and Mediterranean style architecture. Home sites are still available. Villa sales and legal and real estate services. Concierge and villa management. Villa rentals include daily maid service and nannies. Chefs and drivers available. Impeccable security staff. Vacation guests and villa owner enjoy access to our exclusive resort facilities. The Equestrian Center, riding rings, a stable brindle pass, professional clay tennis courts, full staff with ball boys ride lighting, El Bosque Cafe, oceanfront Caribbean dining, one-of-a-kind seaside pool designed to blend with the natural surrounding. The Hampa whales normally arrive around the 15th of January. The whale can be viewed from official boats that often also include a trip to Cayo Levantado. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This was all for today. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday, because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.